What's up, guys? Aiden here, A's Lawn and Landscaping.
Garrett, fucking Anne's Lawn Care.
Today we're going to be reviewing the 21-inch Toro rear bagging lawnmower.
We set it off. Here we go. Red lights, I could never stop. A dreamer with the fever to be great was all I ever want, was all I ever wanted. A fighter with the fever for the fame was all I ever want, was all I ever wanted. Got me singing like bang, 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 bang. This fire's a weapon. Bang, 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 bang. Won't stop till we're legends. Won't stop till we're legends. Here we go. It's my turn to make history. Here we go. When I'm gone, they'll remember me. Yeah, a dreamer with the fever to be great was all I ever want, was all I ever wanted. A fighter with the fever for the fame was all I ever want, was all I ever wanted. Got me singing like bang, 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 bang. This fire's a weapon. Bang, 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 bang. Won't stop till we're legends.
First off, Garrett, since you've used the lawnmower personally, what are your thoughts on it compared to your 13-year-old Craftsman?
What I like about it is it's very light when you're pushing up a hill, and it's got 2 points to adjust instead of 4 like my Craftsman, and it goes through way less gas than my Craftsman, so I like it a lot more, definitely.
Yeah, thoughts I have on the lawnmower. I like it. It's light. I can get it up in my cart easy. What else? I like the way it bags in the back. It collects the leaves when I'm doing leaf cleanups really nicely. I like the 2-point, and then there's holes in the deck that I actually like down here that actually drain water out of the thing. Other than that, it's a really nice lawnmower for its price. I paid $250 for it. It's got a 6.5 horse Briggs & Stratton engine, and it really doesn't burn down gas that much. So, Garrett, any other thoughts?
No.
Other than that, A's Lawn and Landscaping. Catch you on the next one.